Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with not a how-to this week, but a product highlight on our centerpieces. So we offer centerpieces in all of our collections. Most of them come with 3 sizes. A few of them are only offered in 2 sizes. But today we're going to go into the details of what a centerpiece is, use cases for them, how you can expect them to arrive to you, and all of those fun things. Okay. What is it? So what is a centerpiece? They are an arrangement. We offer, like I said, we offer centerpieces in all of our collection lines. This is a grand centerpiece. They all come in the vases that they are photographed in on the website. These cannot be removed or changed. So that was a grand centerpiece. And then we have the large centerpiece. All of the centerpieces feature the same florals and color palette throughout the entire collection. So as you can see, they're very cohesive. And then lastly, we have our smallest centerpiece, which is just a standard centerpiece. Again, comes in the vase that it is pictured in or photographed in. So let's talk about the sizes and the best cases for each size. So you want to start with the grand?
Okay, so first we have the grand, which is my personal favorite. You can never go wrong with the grand. This is obviously our largest centerpiece we have to offer. The grands are, first I'll tell you where they're perfect, what spaces they're perfect for. Then I'll show you how we love to use them on tables or anything with another product that we have available for rent as well. So the grand centerpieces can be used for a numerous amount of things. A grounded arch, which is pretty popular. A lot of people love to use it for that.
An SBBlooms favorite.
Yes. For lining down the aisles on tables. Some couples do have 70-inch round tables, and I have seen the grand centerpiece just sit flat on the table, and it looks beautiful. By the welcome sign, in front of a sweetheart table, downstairs, really anywhere you want a grand, like, floral element.
We've put them on a mantle before to do like a little trailing swag looking thing, but yeah, a lot of different ways you can use a grand.
Yes. And then my favorite tip for tables is to use a short gold stand or silver stand, whatever you choose. And our grand centerpieces fit perfectly in our stands. We have a tall and a short available for rent. And this just elevates the space and heightens the room, in my opinion, throughout your venue. You can put some of these on your tables. Say you have 12 tables. I would put like 6 on these and then the large centerpieces on the rest with candlesticks, and you're done. Yeah. It's all about just placing them, putting them wherever. You can even repurpose the stands from your ceremony to your reception. So that's another way that they can be used. Yeah. But this is the grand centerpiece in the short gold stand.
And if you don't love, like for example, Eloise comes in a silver vase. Some couples really want the gold details. So this is a good example of, like, don't get caught up on the vase color and metal. Like the Eloise comes in this pewter vase, but we paired it with the gold stand, and the flowers really hang over the vase, so you can't, like, you won't really even notice it. Your guests probably won't even notice it. So if you want more of those gold details, pair it with a gold stand instead of our pewter stands.
Right. So this is the short stand on a table. This table honestly is about 2 foot tall, I would say.
Yeah.
So this is the height difference between a tall stand versus the short stand on a 2 foot tall table, and then this is what it looks like on the ground.
Yeah, you can kind of see it. I believe it's 3 foot. The short stand is 3 foot tall, and the tall one is 4 foot tall.
Yeah, that sounds right. Another question we get a lot, which we'll go into next with the large centerpiece. Yeah. Is if the large centerpieces fit in the stand. Personally,
let's see it.
It
Kinda have
does.
to see it.
It does, but I personally think it could get a little swallowed.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
And then you get a lot of hangage at the bottom with the bottom of the vase.
Right.
So you're really seeing the silver.
If you like this look, totally, like, at the end of the day, it's your big day. Do whatever you want.
Do whatever you want.
But when people do ask, I always say it does look a little bit of, like, unproportioned.
It might look better in the short stand and then like a grand on the tall stand, maybe, just like proportions, like Emily was saying.
Yeah.
But still, because your guests are going to be seeing it, like, that's more eye level than this, where it kind of sits. But, so that's a little better, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But
me too, I agree.
Do what you want.
Yeah. So just in case, a lot of people ask to see it in the short stand or the tall stand with the large, so just so you can see it there. And that, I think, is it for the grand centerpiece. Moving along to the large.
Okay, so this is the large centerpiece. Again, it comes in this patina antique vase. It does kind of have hints of gold. I don't know if you can kind of see like the lines in it. So if you pair it with gold, it will bring out more of those gold undertones. And don't be afraid to mix metals. Like, I really love that look. Yeah. We all do here. So yeah, this is the large centerpiece. It looks great on 60-inch rounds. It looks great by the bar. You can also add this to a grounded floral arch. We do the grands and then these following the grands to get that like trailing out look, ombre effect. What else did we say this is good for?
You can use them on rectangle tables to line. Like, you could do like 2 per rectangle table or 3 if you want it really floral heavy.
Yeah, you can. This is a good size centerpiece. You can really use it in a few different ways. Where the grand is a little too big in some cases, the large is a really good size for pretty much any case that you see you want to use it for.
Yes.
And then finally, the standard.
So I love the standard. I think the standard is perfect for those spaces where you don't really know what to put there.
Yeah. But
you have just a little something to where you can just like stick it and it'll be like, sorry, I'm distracted. We have here does come in a silver vase. So the silver is more prominent than the 2 grands or the 2 centerpieces, the large and the grand. But the standard really is the perfect thing for anywhere that you don't know what to put. So the bar, the like cocktail tables, if you wanted to just place this there and be done. The gift table, anywhere you want to put this, perfect.
Just a little sprinkle of flowers.
A little sprinkle of something. And we also like to fill the grounded arch with the these as well, just to like stick them in there. It has a longer vase, so it kind of just hides everything, and it just looks like this when it's in the grounded arch. So again,
yeah, it's just a perfect little arrangement.
Yes.
PLA. Perfect little arrangement. Okay, and that is the gist of all of our centerpieces and their sizes and the use cases. Again, the centerpieces, just like any other of our products, are very versatile. They can be used for numerous of things. Really get creative. You can watch some of our how-tos and you can see we use centerpieces in a few different ways within the installs or in the ground arch or on the mantle, on tables, you know, whatever. They can be used for a few different things.
Yes.
So, we are going to keep doing these product highlight videos. If you have a specific product you want us to highlight next, let us know in the comments. We're thinking like maybe swags next, or
we did garland. So if you missed that, go watch that. Maybe like we have a bunch of different things.
Maybe swags and aisle markers are next. I don't know. Open to your comments. So drop them below if there's a product you really want us to talk about.
Yeah. If you have any questions of like, you need our help, anything, me and Abby are happy to help. DM us on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere, TikTok, wherever you can find us. or comment down on this video.
You'll
and
be
we're
talking to us.
Yes, and we're happy to help. So if you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help you style the wedding of your dreams.
Yep.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.